explorers! Today we're starting our adventure with something very special, a jigsaw puzzle with dinosaurs on it. Look closely. Each puzzle piece shows a different dinosaur. Big ones, small ones, flying ones, and even swimming ones. As we put the puzzle pieces together, we're not just building a picture, we're building a window into the past, to a time when dinosaurs ruled the earth. So grab your imagination and let's complete this puzzle, piece by piece, and discover the amazing world of dinosaurs together. Long ago, more than 230 million years ago, the Earth looked very different from today. There were no cities, no cars, and no humans. Instead, the land was filled with forests, volcanoes, rivers, and incredible creatures called dinosaurs. This time in history is called the Mesozoic era, also known as the Age of Dinosaurs. It lasted for millions and millions of years, giving dinosaurs time to grow, change, and spread all over the planet. Some dinosaurs were tiny, no bigger than a chicken. Others were gigantic, as tall as buildings and as long as buses. Just like the puzzle pieces, dinosaurs came in many different shapes and sizes. Some dinosaurs were herbivores, which means they ate plants. Dinosaurs like Brachiosaurus used their long necks to reach the tops of tall trees, while Triceratops used its strong beak to chew tough plants near the ground. Other dinosaurs were carnivores. They ate meat. The most famous one is the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex. With sharp teeth and powerful legs, T-Rex was one of the strongest hunters of its time. And then there were omnivores, dinosaurs that ate both plants and meat, showing how clever and adaptable dinosaurs could be. Dinosaurs had busy daily lives, just like animals today. In the morning, plant-eating dinosaurs searched for fresh leaves and fruits. Some traveled in groups or herds, helping protect each other from danger. Meat-eating dinosaurs used their sharp senses to hunt or look for food. Some hunted alone, while others worked together as a team. Dinosaurs also needed to rest. They slept in safe places near water or hidden by trees and rocks. Every day was a balance of eating, moving, staying safe, and surviving. Dinosaurs couldn't talk like humans, but they had many ways to communicate. Some used loud roars and calls to warn others or claim their territory. Others used body movements, swinging tails, stomping feet, or showing colorful frills and crests. Dinosaurs like Parasaurolophus had long crests on their heads. Scientists believe they used them to make trumpet-like sounds through the air. These sounds helped dinosaurs find family members, stay together, and survive in the wild world around them. Here's a surprising puzzle piece. Did you know that birds are related to dinosaurs? Some dinosaurs had feathers, not just scales. Over millions of years, small feathered dinosaurs evolved into the birds we see today. So when you see a bird flying in the sky, remember, you're looking at a living relative of dinosaurs. That means dinosaurs are not completely gone. A part of them still lives with us. But wait, The dinosaur world was not only on land. Some amazing creatures ruled the sky and the sea during the age of dinosaurs. High above the ground, giant flying reptiles called pterosaurs soared through the air. Creatures like pteranodon had huge wings and could glide over oceans looking for fish near the water's surface. Even though they are often called flying dinosaurs, pterosaurs were actually close relatives, sharing the same prehistoric world. Deep in the oceans lived powerful marine reptiles such as Mosasaurus and Ichthyosaurus. They were fast swimmers with sharp teeth, hunting fish and other sea creatures in ancient seas. So while dinosaurs walked and roared on land, their relatives flew through the skies and swam through deep blue waters, making the prehistoric world full of life, movement, and adventure. About 65 million years ago, something huge happened. A giant asteroid crashed into the Earth. It caused massive changes. Dust filled the sky, plants stopped growing, and the world became cold and dark. Many dinosaurs could not survive these changes, and the age of dinosaurs came to an end. But their story didn't disappear. It was hidden underground, waiting to be discovered. Even though the dinosaurs were gone, life on Earth did not stop. After the asteroid impact, the planet slowly began to heal. The skies cleared, plants started to grow again, and new animals appeared. Small animals that survived, like early mammals, insects, and birds, began to spread across the land. Without giant dinosaurs around, these animals had more space to grow, adapt, and evolve. Over millions of years, mammals became bigger and smarter. Some learned to climb trees. Others learned to run fast, dig underground, or live near water. This long journey of change eventually led to many animals we see today, and much, much later to humans. So even though the age of dinosaurs ended, it opened a brand new chapter of life on Earth. The end of one story became the beginning of another, a reminder that our planet is always changing and growing. Today, scientists called paleontologists study dinosaur fossils to learn about the past. Fossils are like puzzle pieces, too. Each bone helps scientists understand how dinosaurs looked, moved, and lived. By putting these fossil pieces together, we can rebuild the dinosaur world, just like finishing a giant jigsaw puzzle from history. Now, look at our jigsaw puzzle. All the pieces are complete. Each piece tells a story of giant creatures, ancient worlds, and incredible discoveries. Dinosaurs may be gone, but their story still lives on in puzzles, books, museums, and in your imagination. So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and never stop being curious, because every puzzle you solve brings you closer to the wonders of our world. Thanks for joining this dinosaur adventure. See you next time, and don't forget to roar with excitement.